Hello and welcome back to INSEVIS video tutorials. My name is Andy and today I show you our software. All the software you need you will find in the download section on INSEVIS.com. Just head over there, click on downloads, and in the first section you will find our software. You can download the programs with this button, get the manual right next to it, and here is the video playlist from the INSEVIS YouTube channel with tutorials and examples. Okay, we start with the config stage. The config stage is a free tool to configure your INSEVIS PLCs. It's used to configure your EAs, your CPU parameters and things like that, and is completely free. This configuration allows us to view the variables on our PLCs inside TIA Portal and Semantic Manager. If you want to learn more about config stage, you can click the video up here. Next in line is service stage. Service stage is again a free tool. You can load just on any cheap notebook for maybe a service technician or someone like that. You can use it to update and restore your PLCs without any TIA Portal or Semantic Manager. You can upload WLD files, you can activate the know-how protection, you can do firmware updates, you can change the IP address and stuff like that without having to have the heavy and bulky TIA Portal on your system. To learn more about service stage, click the link up here. Moving on to VISO stage. VISO stage is free in the basic version, which means you can visualize one language. So if all you need is English, then you're fine. But if you want to have multiple languages, it's a one-time small fee for your entire company. So you buy this one license, everyone can use it, and you're good to go for multiple language visualization. If you're familiar with Vnc Flexible, you will feel right at home in VISO stage because it's very similar to this program. So you find your stuff in there. Inside VISO stage you can not only create your visualization, but you can also import TIA and Semantic Manager variables with just 4 mouse clicks. And you can also, if the TIA project has changed, you can synchronize the two projects from TIA Portal to VISO stage. If you're done creating your visualization, you can simulate the visualization together with the S7 program with another program called S7 Plc Sim. With this you can simulate your PLC program together with the visualization in like a working duo, not just do the buttons work. And you don't have to upload it to your factory machines or to any PLC. You can test it in a dry run. Another benefit of the VISO stage, even with the basic version, is you can create visualizations for any S7 CPU. This includes also Siemens PLCs. And you can use these visualizations with another tool, which I will show you in a minute. If you want to learn more about VISO stage, just click on the video up here. The last tool is remote stage. It's again a free tool. And this allows you the before created visualizations you've done with VISO stage to open them on your computer and use them as a remote visualization for your PLCs. This applies for INSEVIS PLCs, but also Siemens PLCs. So you can make a free visualization with the free VISO stage, open it with the free remote stage and connect it to your Siemens PLCs at no cost whatsoever. Remote stage itself is a very small program and you don't have to install it. You just unzip the package and you're good to go. This has the benefit that you can open multiple versions, multiple instances of this program. If you have, for example, a huge factory or a huge machine with multiple PLCs inside, you can open more windows of remote stage and view all the PLCs at once. The remote stage has also a second mode to archive your data from your PLC. And you can then view it inside remote stage and do other things like conversion with this. But you can also automate this process. You can include a small batch file in the so-called planned tasks in Windows. So maybe every Saturday evening, a small little Windows machine starts the remote stage, and this program pulls all the archive data from all the PLCs and stores it to a safe location so you can prevent data loss. The remote stage comes with no attachments whatsoever, so you don't need a runtime license or power tags or any stuff like that. You just download it, open it, and you're good to go. If you want to learn more about remote stage, click the video up here. One additional thing is the T series of our CPUs has a Vnc server inside. So if you want to use maybe your smartphone to monitor your machine, you just download a free Vnc client and connect it to your T PLC, and then you have also free visualization. With the difference, Vnc is just a mirror of the actual PLC display, and with the remote stage you have a second visualization which is independent from the actual PLC panel. This is also compatible with the existing smart client from Siemens. That's all from me. Thanks for listening. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss a single video.